Let's make caramelized noodle Kua mi. First, let's make our sauce. In the mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 cup of water. For color, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of dark black soy sauce. If you don't have this, you can use dark soy sauce. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of seasoning soy sauce. Next, give it a mix, combine well. Once complete, set aside for later use. Next, you're going to need pre-hydrated rice noodles. You can use any kind of brand you want. You'll find these at the Asian supermarket in the cold aisle. For this recipe, you're going to need about 20 ounces. Next, let's soak this in water. Next, in a large wok or pan, on high heat, add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Next, add a 1/3 cup of sugar. And stir this gradually until it becomes golden brown. The sugar will start to dissolve, and once it gets this color, go ahead and bring the heat down to low. And once it's golden brown, you're going to carefully add in the sauce. So wear long sleeves if you can, and be extra careful. Back away from the steam when you add this in. Now you can bump back the heat to medium high. Next, go ahead and add in 1/3 of a cup of minced garlic. Stir and combine well. Wow, look at that. So garlicky and delicious. Look at that color, so beautiful. Wow, look at that color. Now it's ready. Now you're gonna add in your rice noodles. Add in your rice noodles. Now I'm gonna coat this with all the sauce. Next, bring the heat to medium high. Now I'm gonna cook our noodles. All coated in there. Squish and push. They'll start to blob up like this. I've been cooking this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now the noodles are softened. We're gonna shut off the heat and let it rest. So now we're gonna let this rest for about 30 minutes, and the noodles will absorb all that sauce and it'll dry up. While we let that rest, we're gonna go ahead and make our omelet. So crack 5 eggs into a mixing bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, followed by 1 teaspoon of MSG, and lastly, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Give this a whisk, combine well. Once complete, we're gonna go ahead and fry our omelet. On high heat in a wok or a pan, add vegetable oil. Once this gets really hot, go ahead and add in our omelet. See that is forming around. Go ahead and push it through like that so the yolk come through. And here to this side. Push here. It's starting to form. I'm gonna let it sear on the bottom, okay? Before we flip it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a flip. So I did give it a flip. You see that nice sear? That's the color we want right there, okay? Same for the other side, and then shut off the heat. See that sear? That's what we want. I'm gonna give it a flip. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. All right, we have our eggs. Wow, look at that. This is the sear that we're looking for, okay? We want that for color. Next, we're gonna cut this up into strips. Crispy. Now we have our strips. I like to cut mine into strips like this. This would be so good with rice. It brings back childhood memories. Alright, my noodles are ready. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. Perfect color. Alright, next is the fun part. We're gonna carefully separate these. No worries, I cut my fingernails and my hands are clean. And gently separate these, okay? Careful, you don't want the noodles to break. Gently separate your noodles. You want something like this, see? Perfect color. Next, we're gonna add some chopped scallions. Desired amount, okay? I have some cilantro too. It's not in the recipe, but it is this time, okay? And some bean sprouts, your desired amount. And then I'm gonna give this a toss. Gentle toss. For the starter show, the eggs. Just lightly put that on top. And voila, we're done. Our kua mi. Serve this with sriracha or eat it by itself. Wow, let's take a bite. I can't wait. Got a little bit of the bean sprouts and the egg. Mmm. The bean sprouts so crunchy. The cilantro and scallion makes it so fragrant. Next bite with some Lao sriracha. So good, Southeast spice. You guys want to learn how to make this? Recipes in the description. I'll see you guys next time.